Hi, I'm Maddie Lambert, Associate Editor for Commercial Baking, and I am here at Pack Expo in Chicago catching up with Joe Yeatts, Senior Project Engineer for Dessert Holdings. Joe, thank you so much for catching up with me.
You're welcome.
I wanted to ask, so walking the show floor, you're navigating, are you seeing any trends that directly impact your operation?
Yeah, so actually this is the first show I've been to since before COVID, so it's been a few years, and I was curious to see if I would see a lot of different technologies and other from all the vendors that are out here, because I've been to the show many years, and I think the biggest thing that I've seen is that people are putting a bigger emphasis on sanitary design of equipment. I know that that's something that affects everybody with regard to sanitation and downtime associated with any kind of issues that you have or cause to equipment during that process. So I think there's been a bigger emphasis, even with the bakery industry, around the sanitary design and of the equipment in general. That's been probably what I've noticed the most.
And I was speaking to a baker yesterday who told me that Pack Expo is a great way to find solutions for problems that your company knows that they have. However, he was seeing a lot of solutions for problems he didn't even realize existed. So have you had any aha moments like that as you've been walking the convention?
Yeah, I mean, I think everybody talks about it a lot too right now with technology, would be around AI. And there's a lot of people that are interested in trying to figure out how to utilize that technology for equipment. And I think what we see is that anytime that you have equipment that gives you a lot of value and a lot of data back, those are going to be the opportunities to utilize that type of technology, because AI is going to be much better at turning that into a value than we are with that level of data that some of these systems are capable of putting out. So I think that's one of the interesting things in the industry right now in general. So yeah.
Well, thank you so much for catching up with me.